Have you ever found yourself yearning for a moment of peace in the chaos of life? A tranquil sanctuary that exists within the confines of your own mind? Meditation, a simple yet profound practice, can be the key to unlock this sanctuary. Today, we delve into the world of meditation, exploring its myriad benefits and how it paves the path towards a stress-free life. A gentle rhythm of breathing, an inward focus, and an immersive detachment from the outer world. This is the essence of meditation. It's a practice that has been honed and perfected over thousands of years, across cultures and continents, with one universal goal: to attain inner peace and tranquility. Meditation is like a seed. When cultivated with care and consistency, it blossoms into a magnificent tree of calmness, offering shade from the scorching heat of stress and anxiety. It bestows upon us the gift of mindfulness, sharpening our awareness of the present moment. This heightened sense of now allows us to savor life's pleasures more fully and navigate its challenges with greater resilience. Moreover, meditation is not merely a mental exercise, it echoes in our physical well-being too. Scientific research supports the claim that regular meditation can lower blood pressure, boost the immune system, and even slow down the aging process. It's as if meditation is a magical potion, offering both mental serenity and physical vitality. But how does one embark on this enriching journey of meditation? It's a journey that begins with a simple step. Find a quiet corner, away from the noise and distractions of the world. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and bring your attention to your breath. Notice the cool air filling your lungs and the warm breath leaving your body. It's a dance of life that is happening in every moment, yet often goes unnoticed. As thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment and let them float away, like leaves on a stream. Gently guide your focus back to your breath, your anchor in the sea of mindfulness. It's not about emptying the mind, but about becoming a silent observer of your thoughts and emotions. This practice may seem challenging at first, but with patience and persistence it becomes a natural rhythm, like the beating of your heart or the rising and setting of the sun. So, to summarize, meditation is an ancient practice with profound benefits for our mental and physical well-being. It fosters mindfulness, reduces stress, and enhances our resilience in the face of life's adversities. It's a journey that begins with a simple act of focusing on the breath, acknowledging thoughts without judgment, and cultivating a sense of inner peace and tranquility. Remember, the path to a stress-free life is not a distant dream. It's a journey inward, a journey of self-discovery. It's the journey of meditation. Embrace it, and let the tranquility of meditation transform your life.